Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a TikTok enthusiast like me, you know how easy it is to save videos for later, whether it's a hilarious skit, a beauty hack, or the latest dance trend. But what if you can't remember where you stashed them? In this quick guide, we'll walk through how to view your saved videos on TikTok in 2025. This is super handy, especially with all the app updates that keep things fresh and user-friendly. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of TikTok installed on your phone. Updates can change layouts, so let's get started. Open the TikTok app and log into your account. Once you're in, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. That's the one with your picture or initials. Now, on your profile page, scroll down a bit until you see the Saved tab. It's usually right there under your bio or alongside other options like Favorites or Videos. Go ahead and tap on it. Boom! You'll see a list of all the videos you've saved. You can scroll through them, tap on any video to watch it again, or even organize them if TikTok's new features allow. If you're not seeing your saved videos, don't panic. Sometimes, you might need to check your account settings or ensure you're logged into the right profile. Also, in 2025, TikTok has made it easier with search functions. Try using the search bar at the top of the app and type Saved Videos to locate them quickly. A few pro tips. Saved videos are private, so only you can see them, but if you want to share one, just hit the share button while viewing. And remember, clearing your cache might affect saved items, so be cautious. This feature is a game changer for keeping your favorite content organized without cluttering your feed. There you have it. Viewing saved videos on TikTok is straightforward and takes just seconds. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for more 2025 updates.